guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, I'll share with you guys some great ideas to decorate a candy table. This lollipop is decorated as a nun, VALAK, and is available in this channel, SugarPinkDIY. They're super easy to make, just like these marshmallow pops, which are also available in this channel. And I'll leave a link in the description box. I have them in a cauldron, but you can put them on a plate or even stick them to a decorated box. And we continue with these fun bats. For these, you can use any candy or chocolate bar. You can put them all around your candy table, on small sections, or even hang them. These eyeballs are super easy to make. And you can paint them with any color that you like. I painted a green one, a yellow, and a pink, as you can see in this video. You can make them really bloody, animated, cute, and even make a zombie eyeball. You can use them as decorations or fill them with candy, money, cookies, or anything that you like. And I'll leave a link in the description box so you can see this video. This cute spider is also available in this channel, SugarPinkDIY. And it's extremely easy to make. And it'll be super pretty once it's done. You can make it look crazy, ugly, cute, and even flirty by adding a super pretty bow like this one, filled with glitter. And to add a special touch to your candy table, add this amazing skeleton bowl. You can fill it with marshmallows, cookies, more candy, and even salty snacks. But if you don't want to fill it with edible things, you can use bracelets, spider rings, basically with anything that you like. As you can see, the skeleton hand is holding the bowl. These candy jars are also amazing, and I'll leave a link in the description box. Your candy table will look really colorful and special, different from the other tables. And these lollipop spiders are also really easy to make, and they're already available in this channel. You can put them on a plate or even better on a spider web. And this pan de muerto or dead bread is super spongy and delicious. And the recipe is available on Chocolate y Café con María, which is a YouTube channel. Just like these witches or ogre's fingers. These cookies are so delicious and they look super realistic, especially because of the nail. To learn how to make these, go and watch this video. There won't be any candy tables or dessert tables with cookies like these ones. Or with edible bones, which are also available in Chocolate y Café con María. I'll leave a link of all these ideas in the description box of this video. I hope that you like these ideas and you find them helpful for your Halloween parties. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video for more ideas. Bye guys, and happy Halloween!